Nature often leaves us in awe with its unpredictability, beauty, and sometimes its peculiar coincidences. When we speak of coincidences in the natural world, we're referring to those unexpected instances where the laws of the universe seem to be playing a little game with us. These are the moments when, against all odds, the unpredictable elements of our planet align in a way that almost seems scripted. This fascination is particularly prevalent when we examine natural disasters and weather events. Mother Nature, in her infinite wisdom, often presents us with scenarios that are as baffling as they are breathtaking. Consider the tornado that decides to touch down at the exact moment a rainbow graces the sky, creating a stunning juxtaposition of terror and beauty. Or the hurricane that shares a name with the city it's barreling towards. It's as if the universe is trying to tell us something, to reveal a hidden layer of interconnectedness that we're just beginning to understand. But these coincidences aren't limited to the grand, awe-inspiring spectacles of nature. They can be found in the gentle whisper of the wind, the sudden shift in temperature, the unexpected bloom of a flower in the middle of a desert. These are the quiet, subtle moments that remind us of the inherent magic of our world. And then, of course, there are the historical coincidences. Those instances where the past and the present collide in a dance of synchronicity, like the earthquake that struck San Francisco on the same date, exactly 100 years apart, or the twin hurricanes that battered the same coastline, separated by a century to the day. These coincidences, these strange alignments of natural events, are the threads that weave the intricate tapestry of our planet's story. They are the sparks that ignite our curiosity, fuel our fascination, and inspire us to delve deeper into the marvel that is our natural world. As we delve deeper into these astonishing coincidences, we uncover a world of wonder, mystery, and sometimes sheer disbelief. History is replete with stories of natural disasters and weather events that displayed astonishing coincidences. Let's dive into some of these intriguing tales that highlight the unpredictable and often mystifying nature of our world. Picture this. Back in the late 18th century, the New Madrid earthquakes rocked the central United States. Interestingly, they coincided with the most intense period of the Little Ice Age, a time of global cooling. Now, could this have been just a coincidence, or was there a deeper, mysterious link between the two? Moving forward to the early 20th century, we find another curious event. The Great Galveston Hurricane of 1900, one of the deadliest natural disasters in American history, struck at the same time as an extreme drought was ravaging the western states. This juxtaposition of water scarcity and extreme flooding is, in itself, a paradox that leaves us pondering. Now let's travel across the globe to the heart of Europe. In 1953, the North Sea flood wreaked havoc in several countries. Astonishingly, this catastrophic event coincided with a severe cold wave in the region, creating a deadly mix of weather extremes. Switching gears a bit, we also have instances where predictions of disasters became eerily true. Take, for instance, the accurate forecasts of the 1989 Loma Prieta earthquake in California. A local newspaper published a prediction about a significant earthquake hitting the Bay Area just 3 days before it happened. An unsettling coincidence, isn't it? And then there are peculiar patterns, like the recurrence of major hurricanes hitting the United States every 12 years, the Great Miami Hurricane in 1926, the Labor Day Hurricane in 1938, and so on. Is this a strange coincidence or a cycle that we are yet to fully understand? These historical coincidences not only pique our curiosity, but also provoke thought about the mysteries of nature. As we continue to explore and learn, we may uncover more about these fascinating coincidences, providing us with valuable insights into the intricate workings of our planet. Extreme weather often pushes the boundaries of our understanding, presenting us with instances that seem almost too coincidental to be true. In the vast theater of our planet, extreme weather plays a leading role, often delivering performances that defy our expectations. For instance, consider the case of a lightning storm that managed to strike the same spot, not once, not twice, but an astounding 7 times in a row. A statistical anomaly? Perhaps. But isn't it fascinating how such numerical synchronicities often emerge in the realm of extreme weather? And then, there are the hurricanes. These swirling tempests often bear witness to some of the most intriguing numerical coincidences. For example, it's not uncommon for hurricanes that share the same name to strike the same area, years apart. Hurricane Andrew, a Category 5 beast, ravaged Florida in 1992. Fast forward to 2012, and another hurricane named Andrew followed a remarkably similar path, leading to an eerie sense of déjà vu. Extreme weather doesn't always have to be destructive to create astonishing coincidences. Take the case of the snowfall in the Sahara Desert. This region, known for its blistering heat, experienced snowfall not once but 3 times in the last 40 years. Each time the snowfall was recorded in the same location, creating a pattern that leaves scientists and weather enthusiasts alike scratching their heads. These numerical synchronicities extend to temperature extremes as well. The coldest temperature ever recorded on Earth was -128.6 degrees Fahrenheit in Antarctica. Interestingly, the hottest temperature ever recorded was 134 degrees Fahrenheit in Death Valley, California. The difference? A staggering 262.6 degrees. Is it a mere coincidence that these two extremes exist on the same planet, or is there a deeper pattern at play? These extreme weather events and their numerical synchronicities remind us of nature's unpredictability and the fascinating coincidences it often presents. Whether it's the recurring hurricanes, the improbable snowfall in the Sahara, or the staggering temperature range, these examples serve as a testament to the intriguing world of extreme weather. In the face of natural disasters and weather events, human behavior and societal responses can lead to outcomes that seem purely coincidental. Let's take a moment to ponder how our actions, as individuals and societies, can inadvertently give birth to peculiar coincidences in the realm of natural disasters and weather events. It's like a grand, unpredictable dance between humanity and nature, where each step, each decision, can lead to unexpected patterns. Consider the story of a small town that, having experienced a series of devastating hurricanes, decided to move their settlement further inland. In a twist of fate, the new location was struck by an unusual inland hurricane, a phenomenon rarely seen in that region. Was it just coincidence, or was there a deeper, more intricate connection at play? Or how about the controversies surrounding certain weather events, where human factors have been implicated in creating coincidences? Some argue that urban heat islands, areas in cities significantly warmer than their rural surroundings due to human activity, have led to localized weather anomalies. Are these simply coincidences, or are they evidence of our profound impact on the environment? And then there are the coincidences that arise from human responses to these events. The way we react, the decisions we make in the face of disaster, often lead to unexpected outcomes. For instance, the construction of seawalls to protect coastal communities from tsunamis has, in some cases, resulted in the waves being deflected and causing destruction in areas previously thought safe. An unfortunate coincidence indeed. Not all coincidences are tragic, though. Sometimes they can be surprisingly beneficial. Take, for example, the case of a community that, after a devastating wildfire, implemented strict fire safety measures. When a subsequent fire broke out years later, the damage was significantly less, a coincidence that saved lives and property. These coincidences, whether a result of human action or natural phenomena, continue to intrigue us and push the boundaries of our understanding. They remind us of our intricate relationship with nature and our role in shaping the world we live in. The curious coincidences in natural disasters and weather events offer valuable lessons and carry significant future implications. When we look back at the strange synchronicities and patterns we've explored, it's clear that they're not merely oddities or quirks of nature. They're profound teaching moments that have shaped our understanding of the world and our place in it. Take, for instance, the uncanny predictions of natural disasters. These aren't just lucky guesses or random flukes. They're the result of years of meticulous observation, data collection, and pattern recognition. They've taught us the importance of maintaining a watchful eye on nature, of staying vigilant and prepared, and of respecting the immense power that the natural world holds. Similarly, the curious coincidences in climate change, such as the timing of significant events and their impact, have underscored the urgency of addressing this global crisis. They've shown us that every action has a reaction, and that even seemingly insignificant changes can have wide-ranging and long-lasting effects. These lessons have far-reaching implications for the future. As we continue to observe and analyze the coincidences in natural disasters and weather events, we'll be better equipped to anticipate and respond to them. We'll be able to develop more accurate forecasting models, devise more effective disaster preparedness strategies, and make more informed decisions about our impact on the environment. Moreover, these coincidences could play a crucial role in our ongoing efforts to combat climate change. By understanding the intricate interplay between various environmental factors, we can identify potential tipping points and intervene before it's too late. We can also use this knowledge to inform our policies and practices, ensuring that we're not just reacting to climate change, but actively working to prevent it. In essence, these curious coincidences aren't just fascinating anomalies. They're powerful tools for learning, growth, and change. They're reminders of the complex and interconnected nature of our world, and of our responsibility to protect and preserve it. As we continue to unravel the mysteries of nature and its curious coincidences, we equip ourselves better for the future, fostering a deeper understanding of the world around us. The world of natural disasters and weather events is rife with fascinating coincidences that provoke thought and curiosity. We've journeyed through history, witnessing events that seem too peculiar to be mere chance. From the synchronicities in numbers, the unusual weather patterns, to the uncanny predictions of natural disasters, these coincidences stir wonderment and intrigue. We've seen how human behavior intertwines with these coincidences, creating a complex tapestry of cause and effect. The lessons learned from these coincidences are invaluable, shaping our disaster preparedness and weather forecasting. The future holds more such mysteries. As our understanding of natural disasters evolves, we may uncover more coincidences, more patterns that challenge our comprehension. The interplay of climate change and these curious coincidences is a field ripe for exploration. As we continue to explore these coincidences, we remain in awe of nature's unpredictability, its beauty, and its capacity to surprise us with the most curious of coincidences.